All right, so this is the back of your mark up and mark down notes. And I will have all of these notes at the end of this. So if you miss anything, just make sure that you stay to the end of the Nearpod and you can copy anything down. Okay, so number one, it's either going to be mark up or mark down. And so we just need to figure out what it's going to be. So number one says a pair of sandals is on sale for 20% off. That's important. The original price, if the original price of the sandals is $21, what is the sales price? All right, so 20% off. I'm just going to change that 20% to a decimal. So I'm going to move it over 2 places. Because I know if I'm saying 20% off, I know it's a mark down, which means I'm going to subtract from my original price. Well, how much am I going to mark down? That's what I have to do first. So I have to multiply 21 times 0.2 to get how much I'm going to take off. That's why we want to change the 20% to a decimal first. So this is just saying 21 times 2, which is 42. There's one number behind my decimal, so I need to move it 1 place in my answer. So what that means is I'm going to take off $4.20 from my original price, which is $21. So I'm going to subtract $4.20. And you're going to subtract, I can't take 2 from 0, so I have to go next door. And that becomes 10. And then 10, and then 1. So 10 minus 2 is 8. Bring down the decimal. 10 minus 4 is 6. 1 minus 0 is 1. So $16.80 is what I'm paying for my sandal now. So that's a mark down. Okay? So number 2. It says Max wants to buy a new DVD player for $89.75. If sales tax is 8%, how much will he pay in total for the DVD player? Okay, well, sales tax is just like a markup. You're adding onto whatever you have. So this is a markup. So you're going to be adding, all right? So markup is add. So if sales tax is 8%, change it to a decimal automatically. So 0.08. I want to know how much he's going to pay in total for the DVD player. So I want to know how much he's adding on to the DVD player. And that's the markup times the total. And then I'm going to add it to the total after I find it. So I'm going to add, or multiply first, 89.75 times 0.08. That's what I'm going to do first. So I'm going to multiply. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 7 is 56, plus 4 is 60. 8 times 9 is 72, plus 6 is 78. 8 times 8 is 64, plus 7 is 71. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers behind my decimal, so I'm going to move it 1, 2, 3, 4. So the amount of sales tax is $7.18. Well, sales tax is a markup, so I'm going to add it to my original price. So $89.75 plus $7.18. Okay, 5 plus 8 is 3. 7 plus 2 is 9. Carry the decimal. 9 plus 7 is 16. 8 plus 1 is 9. So my answer would be A. Okay, so that's a mark down in real world and a mark up in the real world. Mark down would be like a discount. Mark up is you're going to add. It's like a sales tax or a tip. Okay, number 3 says Mr. and Mrs. Kingsley went out for dinner on Valentine's Day. Their dinner bill came to $57.24. If they wish to leave a 15% tip, how much will they pay in total? Okay, well, 15% tip, that's my total amount. A 15% tip. Tip, mark up, equals tip. Okay, so if I mark up, I know I'm going to add because I'm adding on to the cost of the meal. So I first need to change that 15% to 0.15. And you do the same thing every time for markup. The first step is you're going to multiply $57.24 times 0.15. Okay, so you're doing that right now. Answer the question. Okay, so you should have gotten 5 times 4 is 20, 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12, 5 times 7 is 35, plus 1 is 36, 5 times 5 is 25, plus 3 is 28. Add a 0 for a placeholder. 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 7 is 7, 1 times 5 is 5. So I add 5 plus 2 plus 1 is 8. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers behind my decimal, so I have to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we don't have a thousands place, so I'm going to round this to $8.59. And that's what I'm going to add on to my total. So my total bill was $57.24 plus $8.59. Okay, so 4 plus 9 is 3. And then look, what is the only answer choice that has a 3 in the hundredths place? And that is E. Okay, so that's number 3. Okay, how about number 4? Number 4 is a $129 golf club is on sale for 30% off. Okay, 30% off. I know that's going to be a mark down. So I know I'm going to subtract. If sales tax is $6 and 6.25%, what will be the final cost of the golf club with the discount and sales tax? So this is a 3-step problem. First of all, let's change our cents to decimals. So move it over 2 places, so 0.30 and then 1, 2, 0.0625. So our first step is I have to find 30% off of 129. So my first step would be multiplying 129 times 0.30, or just 0.3. Okay, well, if it's percent off, I know I'm going to subtract. So whatever I get here, so 129, you're going to subtract your answer, and that's going to get your new total. So let's do that right now. So I'm going to just cross out that 0. So 3 times 9 is 7. Then we have 8 and then 3. So $3.87. That would have been my discount off of 129. Oh, wait, there's only one decimal now, so $38.70. So $38.70. So I just subtract so 10 minus 7 is 3, 8 minus 8 is 0, 12 minus 3 is 9. So $90.30. So the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply times 0.0625, and that's going to give me my sales tax. Well, sales tax, you're going to add on to $90.30, and that's going to get you your answer. Okay, so try that one on your own. Good luck.